So today's video is in response to the video I did a couple days ago about shaping white nails and, well, actually nails that fan out and how to make them more oval so they don't fan out as much. So in that video, I gave you guys an example of one of my clients, and this was her nails. So this is the progress that she did, or we did, with her manicures from end of March to May. And quite a few people in the comment section were curious how I actually shaped the nails. So I managed to, because these are like a 2-year-old videos or 2-year-old pictures. So I actually managed to find the videos on Patreon, and I was able to edit the video a little bit to show you how I shaped these nails initially. So I have 4 manicures. Unfortunately, don't have the last one, figures, right? But I might be able to find it on some of my backup drives. So I'm gonna try. If you're interested, please let me know. So the most important thing is to do this gradually. So not to file really into the sides, is just to, let me just show you, to just file very lightly, just to narrow it down, the white part. Don't really file into here too much, because you can weaken the nail. So just very, very gently do this, and over time this definitely changed the shape of her nails. What also added up was constant nail polish use, and you can see in these videos that she was wearing nail polish. So the full videos, the full unedited version of these videos are on Patreon, but in this video I'll show you how I shaped the nails. Before someone says that I faked the pictures, here are the dates. So initial manicure I did March 22nd, 2021. Then I have another picture from April 5th, 2021. Then the next picture from April 13th, 2021. As you can see, the skin around the nails is improving, and that took a little bit of time. It's frustrating to go through that stage. And this picture was from May 3rd, 2021. So that's not even 2 months. Incredible.